Hello everyone, welcome to Core Sports Google Ads series. So today we will be understanding about the types of campaigns in Google Ads and how we can use them in our business to make the best out of it. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to log into the Google Ads saying ads.google.com. When you log into this page with your email ID, so you have to set up your account, your billing section and everything, and then you will be able to see the interface of Google Ads. So once you log into Google Ads interface, you have to click on new campaign and then you can see different objectives that Google offers you for creating campaign. So we have sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, awareness and consideration, local store visit, and create a campaign without a goal. So for example, if you have a e-commerce website, so you can probably choose the option sales. If you are into a real estate or some kind of a business where you need to generate leads, so you can choose this one. If you are a new to Google or the online marketing, then you can choose website traffic. If you have an app that you want to promote, you can go for app promotion. If you have a store visit, if you want people to come to your store, then you can go for local stores. If you want to create awareness and make people consider your product, then you can go for awareness and consideration. And if you are totally new to Google Ads, you have zero idea about it, then you can go to create a campaign without a goal guidance, wherein Google will be able to understand your objective depending upon the keywords and everything, and then Google will work automatically. So I would recommend you that you provide objective prior to Google so that Google can keep in mind whatever needs to be done. So moving forward, you have to choose the objective. For an example, if I choose leads, so then Google will give me the kind of campaigns that I can use for this particular objective. So with this particular objective for leads, I can go for a sales campaign, I can go for a performance max campaign, display campaign, shopping campaign, video campaign, and demand gen campaign. So going forward, I will suggest you what objectives we can use for particular campaigns, but for now I would recommend you that if it's a lead campaign, so it's always great to start with a search campaign, and then later on we can add on the campaigns such as pmax and display. For the shopping campaigns, you can choose the objective sales, and then you can go for a search campaign as a base campaign, and then you can use shopping or performance max campaign along with it. If it's a website traffic, then again you can go for a search campaign, display campaign, or maybe YouTube campaign. If it's an app promotion, then automatically we can go for a local store app campaign, wherein Google will show your ads to the Play stores and other apps. If it's an awareness, again we can go for a YouTube and display campaign. If it's a local store visit, then there's an altogether campaign, for example, which comes under PMAX. So it's a local store visit campaign which will increase the footfalls and create a campaign without goal that's not required here. So we have different objectives. These campaigns work on different platform. For example, search ads only shows up on the search engine. Performance Max cover 5 platform: search, display, YouTube, shopping, and Gmail. Display campaign covers the website, wherein Google shows your ad to the Google partner websites. Shopping ad, whenever you look for any product, for example, you look for online shoes, for online books, anything. So there comes some ads pop up with the price, image, and everything. So these are actually known as the shopping ads, which gives you the product name, product photo, product price, and when you click on it, it actually navigates you to the same page. So these are the shopping ads. Video ads you might have seen in the YouTube. We have skippable, non-skippable, bumper ads. There are a lot of. We will be discussing all of them. Demand gen campaign are, as it says, YouTube, Discovery, and Gmail. So basically, this comes under Discover feeds, Gmails, and the YouTubes as well. So, going forward, we will be understanding one by one each campaign in detail and how we can utilize these campaigns into our business. So, stay tuned. Have a great day. Thank you for watching this video.